Hey folks, Sheila here from Design Files. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the visual elements library within the mood board editor. Now, if you like the idea of being able to add a variety of different graphic elements to any of the mood board, concept boards, any sort of presentation slides that you create within the mood board editor, then definitely take some time to check out the visual elements library. So you're going to find it over here in the right side panel, and it's between the text and the paint color libraries. Click into it, and then it's going to expand, and you'll see there's a number of different graphic elements that you can include within your mood board designs. So for instance, if you like the idea of being able to use arrows to indicate which fabric is going to go on which item within your mood boards, or if you wanted to include divider lines so that you could create branded footers or separate or create different sections for your concept boards or mood boards. There's a variety of different graphic elements that you'll find here within the Visual Elements library, and it'll save you the time of having to go on to Google Images and then search for a variety of different items and then upload those manually into your Design Files account. So definitely check this out. Aside from the graphic elements that you can find in here, there is one other thing that I do want to bring to your attention here, and it is the perspective grid. So if you are creating full room mock-ups, using the Design Files mood board editor, you might find that using the perspective grid that's available to you in the Visual Elements library is a really, really handy tool to have. So I'm just going to click it here. You can see that I've already added it, and I'm going to bring it all the way to the front of this particular design. Now, the perspective grid makes it easy for you to basically, you can scale it up so that it starts to match the angle of the room that you've got in the background. And then once you've got it lined up, what you can do here is I'm just going to push it all the way to the back, and then I'm going to bring it forward a couple of layers here until it's sitting on the empty walls but behind all the furniture. Now what's cool about this is that once I have this perspective grid in place, it's going to make it really easy for me to then distort items on the side walls and make sure that I'm getting the perspective accurate so I can create a very realistic room mock-up. So definitely use this if you are planning on creating full room mock-ups, because it will completely speed up your process and make sure that everything is perfectly working along the correct perspectives for your designs. Okay, so that's basically it. I just wanted to touch on that in case you were unaware of it. If you do have any questions about how to use the Visual Elements library, then feel free to reach out to us on the live chat. We're always available to help. Thanks so much for watching. Oh, and one final note, if there's any sort of graphic elements that you would like to see added to the Visual Elements library, you can reach out to the live chat and let us know as well, and we'll look into getting that added in. All right, thanks for watching.